Hi people, in the middle of shooting a video on another topic, actually our Fiddes filler gel, but as I'm going to coat these panels with our hard wax oil, I just wanted to do a little appreciation video for our Stoploss bags. So I'm not sure if you can read that, but this is matte hard wax oil was decanted into this bag on the 20th of February 2024, and it's still bloody brilliant. So essentially what you do is you decant the balance of your tin into here. You would have to squeeze normally you squeeze all the air out, because I'd already opened it, still had a bit of air in it. And then you would put your lid on, and then you go put it on your shelf and you leave it. Tests show after 2 years is 0.001% of evaporation after 2 years. It's pretty bloody good. As you probably, many of you know, when any coating that you're using, any varnish or hard wax oil, no matter what the brand, if you leave it in a tin, pop it in the shed, and you come back to it, like say half full, come back to it, say 12 months, 18 months later, and it's gonna be all hardened up. And that's because it's oxidized. There's air in the tin and it's just gone hard over time. The beauty of these is it stops it from happening. So you can get these from our stockists, but you can also get them from our website. So you know what I realized I should have done was actually showed you me using it. So what I did was, took the lid off obviously, poured it into the tray. As you can see in here, poured whatever I needed in there, coated my panel. Because I only need a little bit, I've just put a little bit in there. Now, squeeze out my air again, pop my lid on, pop it back on the shelf.